Hello everyone and welcome to EMK's Coin of the Month. This is the Earth from Above coin and I'm telling you this is one fantastic coin. It is a 1 ounce silver coin. It has some lovely packaging here going with the sort of the space ship theme. Really like that. And as you can see there, it's 3.9 silver. Now let's get straight into the product right now. Lovely presentation box indeed. Very shiny. And first, of course, as always, let's take a look at the certificate and find out some more details about this beautiful piece. So as I said before, it is Earth from Above. 2022 1 ounce silver proof coin, and again you can see the theme carrying over there on this card. Fantastic. 3.9 silver. It's a proof coin, and the mintage on this coin is 999 pieces. Very, very cool. Straight into it here. I really do think this is a phenomenal design. It's such a cool idea. It's been captured really well on this coin, and just the whole shape around the design is so well suited to a coin, which is really, really cool. Now, as you can see, it is pressed for the country of Niue, therefore we have Queen Elizabeth II there, and it has a face value of $1. But let's get a little bit closer here now. Let's open this capsule. There we are. Magic. That didn't take long at all. Now, check this out. This is where you can really see what a fantastic job has been done with this color printing. Look at that. You've got the reflection of Earth there in this astronaut's visor. It almost looks like it's popping out from the coin. Like the 3D aspect on this is phenomenal. The detail within the astronaut's suit is really, really impressive. And just, it's a very, very tidy design. You've got the Earth from above there on the side. Very, very nicely done. Now, once again, we'll just have a look at the rim here and, of course, our obverse. Just that lovely silver there. And getting a little bit closer for you. Fantastic. Just wonderful. The whole idea of this coin's really great. Sort of that breathtaking view of Earth if you're out in outer space. And I wonder if anyone watching can tell what continents are reflected within that visor. Give you a few minutes to look a little bit closer. See if you can lock in your guess. And if you guessed Europe and Asia, you would be correct. Just wonderful. Really, really a big fan of this piece, and there's no wonder why this is EMK's Coin of the Month. Check it out on our website, www.emk.com.